girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my days, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Hanging on the corner, beg my time to live by. Thought I was a goner, blaze to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. Call her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. You be on my back like a cardigan. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Vshow hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing 5x5 body wave unit. I do have this unit in 28 inches and it is 250% density. Today I decided to do these really beautiful wand curls in my hair. I absolutely love them. Now keep in mind, because the hair is like a lot curlier, the hair does look a little bit shorter than what it actually is, but you guys were able to see earlier like the difference between the curled side and then the natural state of the hair. So this is where it's currently hitting me in the curled state, but if I was to pull one of the curls down, this is like how long it is, way down here. So the hair is definitely long, and these curls are so bouncy. Like, I love the way that they turned out. Of course I customize it, so let's get into that real quick. I did bleach this unit, I plucked it, and I did tint the lace using just like some makeup that I have. I don't have any lace tint spray at the moment, so I am using makeup on the lace. And one thing that I did today that I don't normally do, because sometimes what I usually do is like I'll run my fingers through the wand curls, and I think that's like, it doesn't necessarily mess it up, but it looks better when you don't do that. So what I did was, when I'm finished with it, I just literally pull it, just like how I was right now when I was pulling it to show you guys the length of it. I just pulled it after I curled it, and this is the waves that we got. Because this hair is body wave hair, I wanted to keep the body wave in the hair. The wand curler that I use is from Vshow. This is what it looks like. And this is actually part of a set, so you can actually change the heads on this. So I have a bigger one. I think it comes in like 3 sizes. So there's like a really thick one, a medium size one, and then this is the smallest one available. One thing that I like about this wand curler is that it's one size all the way through. There was another one that I used from Klarna in a previous install, and that one had more of a pointed tip, so it was larger here, and then when it got to here it was a lot smaller. So this is what I use to get nice cohesive waves in the hair. And because I use hairspray today, these curls are actually going to last a really long time, and this is what I use. I use the Ebin Wonder Lace adhesive spray. This is typically what I would use to just like, you know, install my units. I used a lot of it. I just got this can and it already feels a little empty. That's crazy, because I literally use this on like every strand of my hair just to make sure that the curls stayed in place, because I knew like curling one side, if you don't use hairspray, and then curling the other side, sometimes this side is like more like curled than the other side, and I wanted to make sure that I can actually keep the curls on both sides, keep them the same length, so I don't have to like go in and try to like touch it up. So definitely use some kind of hairspray. This one did not flake on me at all. Like, it just gave me a nice sheen to it. Like, if I come up close, you guys can see that the hair is actually still soft. You know, there's no flakiness. Like, the hair is perfect. Like, I absolutely love it, but it's also keeping a hold that I really appreciate, because when you do all of this work, like, you'll be mad to like sit here and curl your hair for like an hour just for your curls to fall. Like, that's not what we want. So something like this will definitely last you a long time. But yeah, this is from Vshow. I absolutely love it. Shout out to Vshow. I've actually worked with them a lot, and they're one of my favorites, you guys. Like, I know y'all hear me say that a lot, but just like make a list of it. When I say like somebody is my favorite, like write it down, make note of it, notice like what kind of hair it is too. But this company, Vshow, is fire all the way around. Every time I get a unit from them, I'm really excited, because I never get a unit that I don't like. Never ever have they sent me something and I'm like, what is this? Like, I love everything about this unit, and this is why I like using this spray, because it gives it such a nice shine. You know, although I did use a heat protectant for my hair, make sure you always use a heat protectant. This is the one that I like to use. This is very popular, but there's a lot of other ones. Another one that I really like is by Beyond the Zone. It's called Turn Up the Heat. That one you can get at Sally's. This one you can get at like any beauty supply store, but that particular spray you can only get it at Sally's. This is my hair. So bomb. This kind of look is literally perfect for any type of occasion. If you're going out to brunch, if you're going out to the club at night, if you're going on a date, if you're going to work. But the thing about it is, a unit like this, because it is a closure, it would be cool for work if you curl your hair the night before, take your unit off, put it like on a mannequin head, and then it'll be ready for you in the morning. Because you use the hairspray, it's gonna last literally all day. It'll literally last you for some days, I promise you. I know you like some days. Yes girl, some days. It'll last you, like, I promise. And this is just overall some really good healthy hair, you guys. I absolutely love it. Like, it's just so bomb. Literally no complaints. I love the construction of it. And also, you guys, this is a glueless unit. It does come with an adjustable elastic band in the inside. So if you don't want to use like any products, or you just prefer to use, or you just prefer a glueless install, you can definitely do a glueless install with this. It fits nice and snug. So for you girls out there that have smaller heads, you guys, this is like the perfect fit. But if you have a normal to larger side head, it'll fit you as well. But I always have to talk about that because I have a small head, so a lot of units fit big on me, but this unit does not fit like all extra big. I don't have like a bunch of like extra room in the back. Like, it fits perfectly. So absolutely love it, and I think a lot of you guys will too. So if you are interested in checking it out, go ahead and click on the link down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Vshow Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing body wave unit because it is so fire, okay? And I also want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for just showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate all of you guys. And with that being said, I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.